What's in my tail? My bag got stuck. Okay, let's redo this. Hey y'all, what's good? It's your girl Nai. If you're new to this channel, welcome. I'm happy to have you. And to my returning subscribers, hey boo, welcome back. So in today's video, I am showing you all what's in my tail. Easy. What's in my bag 2021. So if you're interested, stay tuned. But first, like this video, subscribe to my channel, and hit the bell so you can be notified whenever your girl posts a new video. Now that that's done, let go. So I want to give a big shout out to this supporter right here. She commented on my unboxing video when I did my unboxing to my Telfar bag. She wanted to know what was inside my Telfar bag, or what do I like to keep inside of my bags. So I was like, you know what, I haven't did one in so long, so let me go ahead and do like an updated version of this video, and I just thought it was a really great idea. So thank you, girl. Shout out to you, and let's just go ahead and let's find out what's inside my bag. Okay. So y'all, as you guys know, I did get the Telfar bag. I have it in the color tan. If you haven't seen that video, definitely go ahead and check it out. I will link it up above right here. I think I got it right. But yeah, this is the medium sized Telfar bag. I've been wearing it ever since I've gotten it, and I just been getting so many compliments while I was out, and it's just like plus it's black on, so that's even like a plus. So anyways, yeah, so let's go ahead and start off with what I have on this strap right here. We're going ahead and take this off. So this here, y'all probably like, girl, what is that gold ring? But anyways, this is a clipper, a CLIPA, a clipper. I think that's what it's called. But I got this off of Amazon, and I figured this was very perfect to have on my purse, inside of my purse, whatever, to hang up my bag when I'm out. You know how like sometimes when you're out in public and when you go to the bathroom, they're supposed to have those little things that where you can hang up your bag so you can use the bathroom, but sometimes they don't have it. So I'm not about to put my purse on the floor. That's a no for me. So I found this clipper on Amazon. It opens up like this, and you can put it on like any surface, or you can hang it like what is it, like above like the bathroom door, or you can hang this up on like a chair or anything, basically. As long as you can hook this, like this part onto something, your bag will be able to hang. So I'm just going to show you guys an example. This is like the little windowsill right here in my room. So it's my bag, it's my clipper. And my bag just gonna hang right there, which is perfect. Okay, so yeah, I've been using it ever since I got it, especially whenever I go out. It's just an essential for me. So I just like to keep this clipper around like the any strap on the bag, so it's very easy to get out the bag. So let's go ahead and see what we got inside of the bag. So the first thing I pulled out was an umbrella. This actually not supposed to be in here, but I didn't clean out my bag before recording this video. So you know what, it's okay. I pulled out this mini umbrella. You know, whenever it rains, it did rain the day that I did put this inside my bag, so that's why this was inside my purse. So yeah, got me a mini umbrella. I pulled out my wallet. This is a Michael Kors wallet, and yeah. The next thing I pulled out was these women's deodorant wipes with aloe vera. It wipes away odor and sweat, and it has 25 wipes, and it has no alcohol, and it is the powder fresh scent. You guys, I got this from Dollar Tree. I got these wipes from Dollar Tree, y'all, and they work so freaking good. My lights are so bright, but I hope you guys can see that. But these wipes work so freaking good. I think well, this is a recent purchase. If you guys seen what vlog is that? It's one of my vlogs. I'll link it up in the cards up above for you guys so you can watch it. But basically, I saw these at Dollar Tree, and the same day that I bought them, I had used them because I was using a different deodorant that I don't normally use, and it basically wore off on me, and I needed to reapply some deodorant. So I had used these wipes, and it worked absolutely amazing. And yeah, and I reapplied my deodorant because I was out. So yeah, they do sell like deodorant wipes at like Walmart and stuff, but I think they're like $4. And why do that when you could get a pack of 25 from Dollar Tree for $1? So yeah, that's what I got. The next thing that I have inside my bag, I'm gonna just pull this out. This is my purse organizer, and there's a charger cut onto it. Okay, so this is my purse organizer that I like to keep inside my bag. So in the first pocket, I have some peanut butter crackers, peanut butter cookies, whatever. If you guys don't know, your girl is pregnant, so I got to keep the snacks on deck. Okay, Periana. So we're gonna go into the thing. So the next thing that I have is my AirPod case. Keep my AirPods in here nice and charged, and I have it on the little, what is this, the little key lanyard thing that comes with the purse organizer. I just like to keep my AirPods connected to it, so that way I could just grab it out whenever I need it. The next thing I'm gonna pull out is, ooh, this is kind of hard to pull out, some perfume. This is Versace Bright Crystal, the travel size. Trying to get like a good thing of it, but my light's too bright. But yeah, this is Versace Bright Crystal, one of my favorite perfumes that I love using. Then I have some hand sanitizer. Got this from Dollar Tree. I had got like 4 or 5 of these things. Ooh, can't even see. Anyways, I got me a little hand sanitizer. I got me some lotion. This is the Jergens Ultra Healing lotion. I think I got this from Dollar Tree or maybe Target or Walmart inside the travel section. Oh yeah, I got me some lotion. You know, for them days whenever your hands are ashy, or maybe you forgot to put some lotion on your elbows and knees or whatever. Got you some lotion. So the next thing I pulled out was this little pouch right here. And what's inside of here is my flushable wipes. Y'all already know I love flushable wipes. Not leaving the house without any flushable wipes. So got this. Hey y'all, so this is future me currently editing this video. Usually I'll have my period emergency kit in place of where that bag is, where I have my flushable wipes in, but since I'm pregnant, your girl don't carry it around. So yeah, but I did record a video on what's inside my period emergency kit, and that video will be up soon, so make sure you be on the lookout for that, and make sure your notification bell is on, and yeah, you don't want to miss it. So the next thing I'm pulling out are these wipes right here. Oh child, I got more wipes. Dang, I had a lot of wipes in this thing. So the first pack of wipes that I pulled out was these all around sanitizing wipes, 75% alcohol, safe for skin, kills 99.9% of germs. Here's what that looks like, and you can use them to wipe off surfaces and things like that. This is definitely a must, especially since we're in the middle of a pandemic. So yeah, the next thing that I have are these Wet Ones antibacterial hand wipes. So the reason why I have two is because this one's almost gone. I think I have like 1 or 2 wipes left in this pack, or maybe it's empty. Oh no, I got like 1 more wipe left in here. So once when I run out, I'll have this pack of backup. So yeah, these are just to clean off your hands, wipe off any surfaces before touching or whatever. So got these. And the next thing I have are these water wipes. I think I got these from whatchamacallit, either Target or Walmart inside the travel section. And I have these because, you know, just to like clean up or whatever, in case if I run out of flushable wipes, I can use these. If I need to clean off, I don't know, my mouth, my hands, clean up a spill or whatever. I do have a kid, so if I need to clean off his face or whatnot, I have some wipes on deck. So yeah. And then the next thing that I'm pulling out right here is my travel size deodorant, which is from Arm & Hammer, and this is the rosemary and lavender scent. I got this travel size deodorant from Dollar Tree, and this is my favorite deodorant that I enjoy using. So yeah, it's natural, it's free of aluminum, parabens, and phosphates. So yeah, that's my little mini deodorant. And then right here, if y'all saw my last if y'all saw my last what's in my bag video, y'all already know what this is. But basically, this is just my taser. I'm not gonna zap it in this video like I did in the last video, but yeah, this is my taser. It's purple. Keep that thing on me at all costs, cause yeah, got that on me. And then what do I have inside this little zipper part? I just opened up this little zipper part right here. And what I have in there is just some little flossers. It's like a little travel size case, and I just have these little floss things. So just in case the food gets stuck in my teeth, your girl won't be walking around looking crazy with food in her teeth, because, you know, got my little floss on deck. So I go ahead and, you know, pick it out real good and all the other good stuff. And go ahead and pack my little wipes back up. And then, so the bag is completely empty after taking out my purse organizer. So now we're just going to find out what I keep inside this little pocket thing right here. So the first thing that I pulled out that y'all saw me struggling with earlier is a charger, and this don't have the block with it, which I don't know why. But yeah, I got me a charger for my phone. Whatever I need to charge it. Okay, self-explanatory, right? And then the next thing I pulled out is a mask. It says cute AF underneath, and I got this mask from Capriel NYC. This is a black owned brand, so definitely check her out. She also has a YouTube channel, The Stush Life. So yeah, this is the mask. And then I have this little what is this? Is this even a cup? Well, it's not really a cup, but it's basically something that you put over your mouth. I look crazy, but it's something that you put over your mouth, and then you put your mask over it, so that way it can help you breathe a little bit breathe a little bit better. And this is very perfect for me, because before I had this, y'all, I swear to you, it was so hard for me to breathe, because like just wearing that mask. But you know, we gotta wear it because we're in the middle of a pandemic, and we gotta get rid of this virus that's going on. So yeah, wear your mask. And if it's hard for you to breathe while you're wearing your mask, get you one of these little things. I got it off of Amazon. I'll definitely link it down below inside the description box, or you can check out my Amazon store, which will also be inside my description box. So yeah, got this. And what is this? Got me some headphones up in here just in case if my AirPods die while I'm on the go. So I'll have some headphones, some extra headphones just in case. And then what's in here? I'm just pulling out a whole bunch of stuff. Got me some pens. Got my own personal pens. Don't want to use nobody else's pen. Okay, period. Got me a little car charger plug thing for my charger. That's that. Adapter. That's what it is. An adapter. So I just pulled out some lip products right here. So this here is a lip gloss from my good sis Travia. Her company is called the Lavish Way. This is another black owned company, so definitely check her out. Also use this code right here to get some money off. So this is the lip gloss here, and then I have this lip oil from Ulta Beauty. That, and then I got a little chapstick right here. What else do I have? Got me some mints. You know, don't want to be walking around with funky breath. Here's another lip gloss from the Lavish Way. That's inside my bag. These lip gloss are very like freaking moisturizing. So if you want to try them out, definitely use that code, and also check out the Lavish Way. The website will be inside my description box. I have this child, I don't even know where this is from, but this is a lip gloss. Yeah, the name of it rubbed off, so got that. And then I have this Victoria's Secret satin gloss in the flavor Candy Baby or whatnot. So that's that. Got a lot of lip products, and that's everything that's inside my bag. There's nothing else in here. Bag is completely empty. Oh, and I also keep my keys inside of my bag as well. So I'm just go over what's on my keys real quick. Got this little keychain bangle thing. It's sunflowers on it. I got this off of Amazon. So yeah, got me some pepper spray. Got my initial from when I went to Vegas. Viva la Vegas. Got my car keys. I have this straw. It's from the Final Straw, and it's just a reusable metal straw. You know, save the planet. Yeah, save the planet and the animals in the water. So got me a reusable straw. What else? Got me another initial keychain with the letter N. This is from my good sis Travia from the Lavish Way. She sells keychains with initials, so check her out. And then I got my husband keys on my thing right here because he's deployed right now. So yeah, this was on my keys. That was everything that was in my purse. So yeah. All right, y'all. So I hope you guys enjoyed my what's in my Telfeezy, what's in my bag. I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. If you did, don't forget to give me a big thumbs up. Like, smash that like button right now. Also, comment down below, what do you keep inside of your bag? Or if you saw anything inside of my bag in today's video that you're thinking about putting inside your bag, let me know inside the comment section down below. Because y'all know I love chit-chatting with y'all, okay? Period. And if you're new here and you haven't subscribed to my channel already, make sure you hit that subscribe button. Also hit that bell so you can be notified whenever your girl posts a new video, because we are on the road to 2,000 subscribers. So make sure you guys are subscribing. We would love to have you a part of this family, and I'll see you all in the next one. Bye.